Welcome to Alaska, a land of untamed wilderness and breathtaking beauty. Here in America's last frontier, nature reigns supreme, and adventure awaits at every turn. Alaska is the largest state in the United States by area, covering over 663,000 square miles, which is more than twice the size of Texas. Alaska is home to some of the most stunning national parks in the United States, including Denali National Park, Glacier Bay National Park, and Kenai Fjords National Park, each offering breathtaking landscapes and unique wildlife experiences. The state is a haven for adventure sports enthusiasts, offering activities such as dog sledding, ice climbing, kayaking, and fishing. The Iditarod Trail Sled Dog Race, an annual long-distance race from Anchorage to Nome, is a world-renowned event that showcases the skill and endurance of mushers and their sled dogs. Alaska is home to thousands of glaciers, with some of the most famous being the Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau and the Hubbard Glacier in Yakutat. These icy giants are a testament to the state's stunning and ever-changing natural beauty. Throughout the year, Alaska hosts a variety of cultural festivals that celebrate its heritage, such as the Alaska Native Heritage Center Gatherings, the World Eskimo Indian Olympics, and the Sitka Summer Music Festival, which brings together classical musicians from around the world. Many Alaskans live in remote and rural areas, often relying on bush planes for transportation and subsistence hunting and fishing for their food. This lifestyle fosters a strong sense of community and self-reliance among residents. The University of Alaska system offers a range of educational opportunities, with campuses in Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau. These institutions provide specialized programs in fields like Arctic engineering, marine biology, and indigenous studies. The Klondike Gold Rush of the late 19th century brought thousands of prospectors to Alaska, leaving a lasting impact on the state's history and culture. Historic sites, such as the Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park in Skagway, commemorate this significant era. If you want to see a movie about the Gold Rush and the Klondike, I'll leave a link to a mini-series in the description. Alaska is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire and is home to over 130 active volcanoes, including Mount Redoubt and Mount Augustine. This volcanic activity contributes to the state's dynamic and dramatic landscape. Alaska's waters are teeming with marine life, including whales, sea otters, seals, and various species of fish. Whale watching tours are a popular activity, offering the chance to see humpback whales, orcas, and gray whales up close. Alaskans are increasingly embracing sustainable practices, from renewable energy projects like wind and hydroelectric power to initiatives aimed at preserving the state's pristine environment for future generations. During the summer months, parts of Alaska experience the phenomenon known as the midnight sun, where the sun remains visible at midnight, particularly in areas above the Arctic Circle. As Alaska looks to the future, its people are embracing sustainable practices, working to preserve this last frontier for generations to come. In this land of extremes, where wilderness and human ingenuity coexist, the spirit of Alaska continues to inspire and amaze. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, smash the thumbs up and let me know in comments.